In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on Dropbox. If you've ever found yourself scrambling to make room on your Dropbox account, don't worry, you're not alone. Managing your storage effectively is crucial, especially if you're working with limited space or large files. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily declutter your Dropbox to ensure you have the space you need for the files that matter most. First, the quickest way to start clearing space is by deleting files and folders you no longer need. It's surprising how much storage can be consumed by files you've forgotten about. Begin by analyzing your current Dropbox contents. Navigate through your folders and identify what's essential versus what's been gathering digital dust. If it's been a while since you last looked at a file or a folder, it might be time to let it go. Take a few moments now to consider, do I really need this? If the answer is no, you can proceed to the next step of deletion. However, remember not to be too hasty. Sometimes files that seem unnecessary in the present might be valuable in the future. Now, a critical aspect of freeing up space is understanding that simply removing files from your local desktop isn't enough. You'll need to also delete these files from Dropbox directly. To do this, open your Dropbox app or log in via your preferred web browser. Once you're on the platform, locate the files or folders you've decided to part ways with. Click on them, and you'll generally find an option to delete within the settings or options of the file. This action will ensure the files are removed directly from your Dropbox storage, rather than just being hidden from view locally. After initiating the deletion, you must allow Dropbox to update your quota. Clearing space isn't always instantaneous, as the system needs some time to recognize the changes you've made. Be patient here. Check back after a short while to ensure that your available storage has adjusted accordingly. It might take a few minutes, depending on the number of files you've deleted and your internet connection, but it's crucial for making space effectively. By taking these steps thoughtfully, you'll notice your Dropbox space gradually freeing up. It's helpful to periodically repeat this process, maybe monthly or quarterly, to avoid running into storage issues in the future. Managing a tidy and organized Dropbox will not only clear up space, but also improve your workflow efficiency, as you spend less time sifting through clutter. Whether it's for personal use or professional projects, maintaining a mindful approach to your digital storage will serve you well in the long run. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your Dropbox is optimized and ready for whatever your needs may be. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.